जय हिंद साथियों, स्वागत है आप सभी का पवन देवगढ़ यूट्यूब चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टॉप इम्पॉर्टेंट 200 क्वेश्चंस ऑन कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस। तो फ्रेंड, यहाँ से दोस्तों आपके क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं जो कि आपके एसबीआई एग्जाम में, एसबीआई बैंकिंग या चाहे आपके एसएससी ग्रुप डी और एनटीपीसी के दोस्तों यहाँ पे लगभग आपके 4 से 5 क्वेश्चन दोस्तों यहाँ पे पूछते हैं। और बैंक एग्जाम में दोस्तों काफ़ी आपके क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं जो कि कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस से आपके क्वेश्चन आते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The internet allows to you send email, electronic mail, view web pages, connect to servers all around the world. All of these. Answer is all of these. Send electronic mail, view web pages, connect to servers all around the world. Answer is all of the above. What type of device is a computer device? Input output, software, storage output. Computer printer is output device. Option number 5. Next. What is the biggest number you can get with 8 bits? 256, 128, 1000, 255, 1024. Answer is 255. The biggest number you can get with 8 bits is 255. Next. The disk store information in tables, rows and columns, blocks, tracks and sectors, all of these. The disk store the information in tracks and sectors. Next. Which files can be executed without mentioning its extension name? .exe, .bat, .com, .app, all of these. All of these. Answer is all of these. .exe, .bat, .com, .app. The files which can be executed without mentioning its name are all of these. Extension, .bat, .com, .app. All of these options. Question 167. In order to create column data in Word, you need to tab consecutively until your cursor reaches the desired place. Set tabs or use the table menu. Use Excel. Press the space or bar until your cursor reaches the desired place. Answer is set the tabs or use the table menu. Answer is set the tabs or use the table menu until you reach the cursor. In order to create column data in Word, you need to set tabs or use the table menu. Option number 2 is correct answer. Set tabs and or use the table menu. Simply table menu use करो. Next है 168. When the computer is switched on, the booting process is. When the computer is switched on, the booting process is. Power on self test. What is answer? Power on self test. POST. Power on self test. POST post. Next question 169. Specialized programs that assist users in locating information on web are called as. Specialized program to assist users in locating information on web page is called as. Search engines are called as search engines. Not information engines are called as search engines. Question 170. Compiling creates. What compiling creates? Compiling creates an error-free program specification, subroutine, algorithm, executable program. 170. Answer is executable program. What compiling creates an executable program? 171. Move on next question. To insert a copy of the clipboard contents whatever was last cut or copied at the insertion point. Paste, stick in, fit in, push in, none of these. To insert a copy in the clipboard contains whatever was the last cut or copied at the insertion point is paste. Is nothing but only paste. To insert a copy of the clipboard contains whatever was the last cut or copied at the insertion point is only paste. Option number first, only paste. Question number 172. The command used to remove text or graphics from a document. The information is stored on clipboard so you can paste it. The command used to remove text or graphics from a document. The information is then stored on clipboard so you can paste it to the chop, cut, clip, cart away. None of these. What is the answer? The answer is simply cut. Only to cut. The command used to remove the text or graphics. Only simple cut. Cut the document. Next is a group of 8 bits is known as. A group of 8 bits is known as byte, kilobyte, binary byte, megabyte. None of these. The group of 8 byte is known as simply byte. 8 bit is called as byte. Option number first. 174. The hardware device commonly referred to as the brain of computer. The hardware device commonly referred to as brain of computer is called a RAM chip, data input, CPU, secondary storage. None of this. Answer is CPU. Central processing unit. What is CPU? CPU is nothing but central processing unit. Option number third, CPU. Next question. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the compiler, loader, operating systems, assembler. None of this. A computer cannot boot itself if it does not have operating system. What is operating system? OS. Operating system. The computer does not have operating system, so it cannot boot. Option number third. 176. A command that takes what has been typed into the computer and can be seen on the screen and sends it to the printer for output on paper is called as print, return, jump. Attention, none of these. 176. The command that takes what has been typed into the computer can be seen on the screen and sends to the printer for output on paper is called as print. Nothing but print. Only command of print. Next question. The most common storage device for the personal computer. PC. The most common storage device for personal computer is floppy disk, USB thumb drive, zip disk, hard disk drive, pen drive. The most common storage device for personal computer is nothing but hard disk drive. Option number 4. 178. Which device uses a handheld operating system? Which device uses a handheld operating system? PDA, personal computer, laptop, mainframe. None of these. What is handheld operating system? Is nothing but a PDA. Option number first answer. 179. To print an individual item in a file, immediately use Shift plus P, Control plus P, Alt plus P, Escape plus P. None of these. To print an individual item in a file, immediately use. What can you use? Simply Control plus P. CTRL plus P. Control plus P. To print an individual item, you should type Control plus P. Option number second. 180. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately is called as file allocation table, directory, sequential access, direct access. None of these. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately is called as direct access. Option number third. Option number is fourth. Direct access. Next question. Use the dash to choose the slide layout. Quick style gallery, format gallery, layout collection. None of these. Use to choose slide layout is layout gallery. What is layout gallery? Use the layout gallery to choose a slide layout. Option number third. Layout gallery. Next question. 182. A saved document is referred to as a file, word, folder, project. None of this. A saved document is referred to as is nothing but a file. A saved document is called as file. Option number 1. Next question. Computers connected to a LAN. LAN means local area network. can run faster, can go online, can share information and or share peripheral equipment, email, none of these. What do LAN? Share information and or share peripheral devices. तो फ्रेंड इधर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू एंजॉय द सेशन. मिलती नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर देना. ओके, थैंक्स.